Hi guys! So today I worked from home and I'm gonna have a little dinner with my love at home, and I wanted to feel a bit special and sexy, and most important I would say Vavavoom. I always kind of say like the way you get ready, the way you take care of yourself, the intention you put behind it is actually very, very important. I feel like most of us do our beauty routine like something we don't even think about. We have to do it, or thinking that we have to fix ourselves, put our face on, something I heard many times and like kind of breaks my heart. And I really want to say, like, when you do your makeup, instead of having those thoughts, have the thoughts of celebrating yourself, really. And for that, I put some music on in my bathroom, put on an amazing dress. I mean, this outfit is incredible, and pour myself a mocktail. Basically, it's an elixir that has amazing ingredients, very good for you. I'm going to put all the information in the caption below. So it's definitely going to put me in a Vavavoom look to drink this, and I'm also adding a few little rose petal. You know, every details, maybe it's useless, but it just feels good. And that's what I'm trying to do here, like show you how by doing something simple like doing your makeup, you can still make it Vavavoom and fabulous, and it will definitely have an impact on how you feel. Okay, so I'm going to take off this mask, and now after I use my cream, I'm going to have a bit of concealer. I mean, it's actually foundation that I'm using as a concealer. I'm going to use a brush and take the time to just make the texture melt with my skin. I love to apply around my eyes and around my mouth to really bring some brightness to my complexion. It looks more luminous, and when you're olive skin, we have a tendency to have a bit more shadows, I would say, and I'm not a fan of wearing foundation everywhere, so when I do that, it's just going to brighten the complexion overall, and it's way enough for my skin. Then a bit of pink blush. I don't think I ever wear anything else than pink blush anyway. And this beautiful highlighter that I'm going to apply on really the highlight of my cheekbone, Cupid's bow, inner corner of the eyes. And then I'm going to melt it. So I'm going to use this glow balm to melt it so it doesn't look too metallic and it really fuses with the skin. So I'm going to pat and pat until the texture looks like my skin. And that takes a minute, but it's really worth it because the effect is really amazing on the skin. And I make sure to do the same on the inner corner of the eye and Cupid's bow. Now a bit of eyebrow brush that has this like cream on it. Especially when I do red lips, I love to have thick boyish eyebrows under my bangs. It creates a balance between the glamour and the feminine with something more boyish and easy. I don't know how to say, but I never want to look sexy and glamour first degree. It's not me. I feel like I'm being somebody else. So this is going to help restore the balance of my personality fitting the makeup, and the makeup fitting the personality, I should say. Now I'm going to have a copper eyeliner, pretty thin line, and I'm going to have this nude sort of like eye gloss on top, and I'm going to have also some eyeliner on the bottom lash line. It's a contour of my lash line with copper, basically. And then on top, I've put this like nude eye balm. As always, mascara on top and bottom, always focusing on having more cream on the roots. And then I am going to make sure I don't have too much lip balm on my lips because I'm going to apply this dark red that is matte and want to make sure the lip balm doesn't make it shiny. I love deep red at the moment. I've been really obsessed with deep red. I've been wearing very, very bright red for years, and suddenly, I don't know, I went to another route and now I'm all about a very dark red. It reminds me of rose petal somehow, and I'm just obsessed with rose petal, and my obsession is to really recreate a lipstick one day that looks like dark but bright at the same time. I don't know if you see what I mean. I think it's because it has a natural ombre on the petal. And then I'm going to spray my face with one of my favorite face spray. It smells incredible. I love this brand. It's a clean brand that is also sustainable. You should really check it out. Anyway, this is kind of my look, my signature look. A bit of copper, dewiness, and dark red lipstick. If I had to choose one look, I probably will do this. Or blue eyeshadow. You never know. Okay, bye guys. See you soon.